Brother rates my fidgets.
Hold on.
Let's put you guys in here. Hold on, we gotta wait till he gets here. I wonder where he is. What's happening? We're still going. Okay, I thought we were done for a second. No, we're not. Help! Whoa, what just happened? I don't know how to get here. Okay, whatever. Okay, time for you to rate my fidget. Put your fidget down. Okay. Alrighty. Time for him to rate my noodlies. Hold on, I'm grabbing them all. See you when I get them all. Okay, so I think.
I love this fidget.
Okay, cool. I think there are more, but I don't know. Nash, come here. Come here, Nash. Alrighty, 15 actually. Rate my noodlies. What do you rate them?
Like, is this a 10?
Nash, they're all the same thing.
Oh.
You shouldn't be giving these a 10. I mean, I have way better fidgets. Okay, what do you rate them in all?
8.
An 8. So these to him are an 8. Now rate this.
Oh, that's a legendary, a 10.
Definitely.
Yes, definitely a 10. I love this.
I mean, this might be legendary. I think it is.
Yeah.
My heart shall pop it.
9.
I love it. Okay. All right. This red. Wait, no. I'll just get out all my acupressure rings. If I can find them all, I'll get out all of them that are in here. Hold on. Let's see. I'll see you when I find more. Okay, so I found a lot of them. Hey.
Some acupressure rings.
I know I have like 2 silver ones somewhere. Okay. Rate the acupressure. They're all the same thing. Don't stretch them, or they'll get stuck like that. You are stretching all of them.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Let me think.
What do you rate them?
3.
A 3? Oh my gosh, guys. He rates all 4 of these acupressure rings together a 3. That is totally like, oh my gosh. He's rating the pop tubes next. Now it's time for him to rate all these pop tubes. It's loud. Nash, don't do that. That scares me.
I'm thinking.
I have a ton of Okay, you're not going to do that to every single one.
I know. Now, Princess, I'm going to do it.
Okay, that's your last one.
Why?
Because it's getting annoying.
Okay, I'm not going to pop it anymore.
You just said you're not going to pop it.
I rate these a 10.
Okay. Alright, next, my fidget pads. Next, fidget pads. I have 2 of them.
The other one. Oh my gosh, guys, I love these at 8.
8, and you gave pop tubes a 10. Wow, you don't have a very good taste of fidgets. I know, you don't have a very good taste of fidgets.
Okay.
Now, DNA balls. Let's see, there's this one that I didn't accidentally deflate. Or pop. And there's this one that I think is really cool.
Whoa, you have many fidget spinners?
Yeah, you might rate those next.
Yeah.
Okay, here. He's rating DNA balls.
Wow, they're like Orbeez mixed with air.
Hold on, guys. Be right back. Okay, different scenery because we had to put the tablet on the charger.
Okay, we have to get the DNA balls. Okay. So,
Sorry, you had to put the charger on. What do you rate them?
I give this
9?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So,
Oh, the fidgets are still over here.
I know. See you later, and come back for part 2.
Oh, no.
Because we still have a lot of fidgets to rate over there.
Yeah, so if you want to
Okay,
see
guys,
a part
so-
3.
See you later. See you in part 2, I guess.